everyone, Cxlt Crafting here. Welcome to my channel. If you've been here before, welcome back. So today I'm back with another unboxing for painting from Paint with Diamond. Before I start, I would like to give you a brief disclaimer. I bought this painting with my own money. This video is not sponsored. There is no affiliate links, and all said here is just my opinion. So this painting came from overseas, and there is two paintings in one box. The box is not as beat up as I thought it was gonna be. It actually looks really good. It looks fine. And the paintings also rolled in foam. It didn't have any creases or any damage to the paint, so it was fine. So like I said, this painting is from Paint with Diamonds, and I bought this in 2021. But the painting that I will be talking about today is the Autumn Creek. So this painting is 50 by 75 centimeters, or a bit over 19.5 by 29.5 inches. Unfortunately, that's not the size for the drilling area. The drilling area is a little bit smaller than that. That's the size for the whole canvas. This painting have 35 colors. No ABs, which stands for Aurora Borealis, which is they are iridescent drills that add a lot of shine to the canvas. I paid $59.98 in US dollars. This is a square drill painting. I do not know how long it took me to complete. I stopped counting, and I'll explain why later. Since this is two paintings, besides the drills, it also came with two basic toolkits, which includes a pen with a single placer in one side, 4 multi-placer in the other. The pen comes with a squishy or foam for a more comfortable grip. I believe a 10 multi-placer. I'm not 100% sure, I'm sorry. I don't know just looking at them. A wax, not different from other diamond painting kits. Very pointy and sharp tweezers. The drill trays or boat, and the instructions and the company information. I believe this painting is double-sided adhesive, and it came in really good condition. Like I said, it was rolled in a foam roll in the middle, and it didn't have any creases. To flatten out, you can lift one side of the paper covering the painting and cover it up again, and then do the same on the other side. Just a reminder that if you like this video, please give me a like. Please consider subscribing and hitting the bell icon below the video to receive notifications when I upload a new video. Subscribing is free, and it helps my little channel grow. So I'll show you. The symbols are actually very easy to see. I'll briefly show you the drills, which is mostly greens, yellows, and browns, since this is a fall painting. The drills come in plastic bags, and they're already separated for you. But I like to put them in containers, but you don't have to. For the kitting up process, for this canvas, it did not come with a sticker sheet. I don't think this company provides. Maybe, I don't know, maybe they do now. This is from 2021, so I really don't know anymore. But for the kitting up process, I use my printer to make a color copy of the legend on the side of the canvas, which includes this painting comes in just one side. So I cut to size to fit my containers, and I add double-sided tape on the back of that copy that I made. And for this canvas, that legend on the side there includes the quantity for each drill, which for me is not, doesn't matter much, but if the quantity is important to you, it is available. It's right there on that side of the legend. It has the quantity of the count of drills. While you watch me organizing the drills in the containers, I will give you my final thoughts on this painting. So the painting is obviously beautiful. I absolutely love the color since I really like fall. As I mentioned, it arrived in really good conditions, and I didn't run out of any colors. Also, this company offers insurance in case you spill the drills, and I have nothing to complain about. The tools included, they're basic, but they do the job just fine. The only thing that I did not like, and it made it very frustrating to try to finish this paint, was the drills popped out constantly. I will finish one section and then the drills start popping out. So what I did is every time I finished a section of the painting, I would seal it with like gloss Mod Podge. My plan was to finish this painting to gift it to my mom. I would record the whole process, but after a while I just got so frustrated that I stopped it, and I also stopped counting how long it took me to finish, like how many hours I did a day. I end up taking it with me when I went to see my family, and they helped me finish it up because I honestly got frustrated and I couldn't finish it myself. So I started in 2021 as soon as I received it, but I finished in 2022 around September with the help of my family because I got tired of it. I really love the painting, don't get me wrong. I absolutely love it. But the process of putting it together, I did not like that, just because the drills did not stay in place. So I like the painting, like I said. The colors are very beautiful. Even though they are not vibrant, I still like it very much. I will try the next painting that came in the box, and I'll update you and I'll let you know how it goes. If you do have a different experience with this company, paintings from this company, please let me know in the comments below. Well, happy crafting. Thanks for watching. Bye!